Hello and welcome to Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat Camp of 2020. I am Ashish Kumar Mishra of RI Azmer 11 Dras Battalion NCC. I am presenting the good and practice short analysis of the Rajasthan state. In this presentation, I will analyze the strength, weakness, opportunities and the threats of the Rajasthan. So let us discuss the strength. As you know, Rajasthan is the largest state in the country. The state covers an area of 3.42 lakh square kilometers. That is the 10.4% of the total geographical area of India. It is the largest Indian state by area and the seventh largest the population. Rajasthan is abundant mineral wealth. More than 25 major and minor metallic and non-metallic minerals are available. In some of the minerals, Rajasthan is the number one in the country. There is also a rich culture and heritage known for Rajasthani culture, traditions in textiles, gems and jewelry and handicrafts. Rajasthan is also known for its cuisine. To make sure their food had a longer shelf life, Rajasthan is loaded their dishes with oil or ghee in order to preserve it. Now Rajasthani culture is famous for having a variety of folk dances that are attractive, vibrant and a great form of entertainment. Some of these dances forms are even famous worldwide. Most of these folk dancers are highly skilled and their moves cannot be performed by just anyone. Two of the most popular dances are Kalbelia and Ghumar. Tribal and folk music have always played an important role in the state. There are two prominent groups that contribute to the Rajasthan folk music, the Manganiyars and the Langas. Attire is an important aspect of Rajasthani culture, which reflects the opulent heritage of Rajasthani people. Women usually wear a ghagra, choli and odhni. Lehriya, bandhej and chundari are some of the most well-known ghagra prints. Men traditionally wear a dhoti and angarkha or kurta with pajama. This traditional outfit remains incomplete without the pagdi. It's considered a symbol of pride and honor among Rajasthani men. It comes in a variety of shapes, sizes and colors. Some variants are made for special occasions, while some are used for daily wear. Rajasthan is famous for its leather shoes known as jutis. These are made of camel, sheep or goat skin. The shoes are embellished with beautiful embroidery. Rajasthan is also for having beautifully colored coordinated cities. No wonder it's considered as one of the most vibrant colorful states of India. And each color coordinated city has a small piece of fascinating history attached to it. Jaipur is famously known for Pink City worldwide. In 1876, the city was painted terracotta pink to welcome the Prince of Wales and Queen Victoria. Subsequently, the ruler passed a law stating that all the buildings and houses in the city must be painted in pink, which is still followed. Now, Jodhpur, the Blue City. The city is filled with beautiful blue-hued houses that remain one of the sea. Initially, it was trend started by the elite class of the Jodhpur. However, now it is a common trend followed by all. It is also said that painting the houses blue works as an insect repellent. Now Udaipur, known as the White City. The first thing you notice in Udaipur is the plethora of beautiful lakes. The city is also full of pristine white buildings that reflects on the lake's surfaces beautifully. Back in the days, kings would build their places with white marble, and so most of the prime buildings in Udaipur are white. The architecture is seen to be a regional variant of the style prevalent across the northern India. When one thinks of Rajasthan, it is impossible not to associate it with the magnificent forts that reside in the state. Now turns to the temples of the Rajasthan. There are numerous religious sites worth visiting in Rajasthan. Exploring them also provides an insight into the state's elaborate history and culture, local customs, beliefs, and traditions. One of them is Brahma Mandir in Pushkar. Pushkar in Rajasthan has the only temple in India that is dedicated to the Lord Brahma. It's supposedly 2000 years old and attracts devotees from all over the country. They take a dip in the lake and offer prayers to the Lord Brahma at the temple. Now there is a Karni Mata Mandir. It is one of the most unique religious sites in India, as there are nearly 20,000 rats living in this temple. The rats are called Kabas and are worshipped by the devotees. There is also a Mehendipur Balaji temple in Karauli. This temple in Karauli is dedicated to Lord Hanuman and said to have healing powers. It is also believed that the temple can help in exorcism of evil spirits. Rajasthan boasts a rich heritage of art and culture. The Rajput clan particularly has made a hefty contribution to the Rajasthani art and the culture. Rajasthan is a treasure trove for people who love handicraft. They are one of the most famous attractions of the state and an accurate reflection of the state's rich cultural heritage. They are known for their exuberance of color and culture. Puppets, also known as Kathputli, with wooden heads and stuffed bodies, are iconic to the culture of the Rajasthan. Now pottery. The blue pottery of Rajjaipur is quite famous for reflecting the state's culture and heritage. It is made out of ground quartz stone. Rajasthani people are fond of adorning their attire with beautiful gems, and so Rajasthani culture includes beautiful jewelry as well. Each region of the state has its own style of jewelry. Now Pushkar Camel Fair. The Pushkar Camel Fair is a traditional festival where thousands of the camels are gathered for trade. The key attractions include parades and beauty contests of camels who are decorated with various embellishments. Rajasthan also proven commercial and entrepreneurial acumen. People of Rajasthan origin have been successful in various industrial and commercial ventures throughout the country and the abroad. Now come to the weaknesses of the Rajasthan. Because of its geography, Rajasthan is landlocked. Advantage of coast, ports are not available here. Rajasthan is poor literacy, particularly female. 43.85% as compared to the 53.7% for the country. A poor groundwater situation, erratic rains indicate ecological distress across districts that causes drought prone. Because of expanding Thar desert area, the limited water resources, only handful of perennial rivers such as Chambal, Banas and Mahi. Because of the Aravalli range and desert land, there is an inadequate railway network in the Rajasthan. Now come to the opportunities in the Rajasthan. The first opportunity is in gems and jewelry. Rajasthani people are fond of adorning their attire with beautiful gems, and so Rajasthani culture includes a beautiful jewelry as well. So that's an opportunity in the Rajasthan. In textiles, there is also an opportunity. Textiles are intrinsically connected to Rajasthani culture, colors in unique hues and prints. There is a huge opportunity in wind and solar energy. Rajasthan's solar generation potential has been assessed at 142 gigawatt. The state government plans to systematically harness this potential and has set for itself an ambitious target of 30 gigawatt capacity by 2024-25, which will transform the energy scape of the state and the country. There is opportunities in tourism and education. Rajasthan is one of the most popular tourist destinations in India for both domestic and international tourists. It provides educational opportunities to persons who wish to study further and qualify for a better tomorrow. Now comes to the threats parts of the Rajasthan. Rajasthan is based on the agricultural and the tourism economy. That's why the competition from the economically well-off states. The decreasing female-male ratio, that is 920 per thousand as compared to 933 for the country, is also a problem for the Rajasthan. Rising of coastline is also an issue. The most important threat is the proximity to the Pakistan. Rajasthan shares a 1048 km border adjacent to the Pakistan's Punjab and Sindh provinces. That's for all today. Thank you and Jai Hind.